In this video, I will show you how to upload a short twice as fast using your computer instead of your phone. You've been uploading shorts from your phone, but it's taking you quite a lot of time, right? I've been on the same boat, but I found a solution that has been speeding up my shorts upload process. I started uploading shorts from my computer, and I gotta say, it's so much better. So I want to help you decrease the amount of time and hassle it takes to upload each short. And I will show you how to do it on your computer in less than 2 minutes. Let's get right to it. We're currently on my YouTube page, and I'm gonna just select upload video on the top right corner as I do for all of my videos. I'm gonna select a file and select the short. At this point, you have to pay attention that the short is in vertical format. I select the short and get to the shorts page. I type in the name of the short and add a description for the short. And once you typed in your description, you're gonna add one important hashtag to the description. You add in hashtag shorts and select enter. Now you select the thumbnail or upload a thumbnail if you have one. You say that it's not for kids and you add some tags. Hashtag shorts. And you keep scrolling down. You select whatever category you want to be in, and now you click next. Here you don't have to add anything, just click next again. It checks for any copyright issues and you select next. You click on public and simply publish. Now you can go to your account and you see that the most recent upload is the short that you just uploaded. Here we go. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Feel free to check out my other videos on my channel, and if you like them, subscribe. And if you don't like them, no pressure. But until next time, peace out.